Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by cutting power at the breaker and verifying no voltage. This is non-negotiable. Next, remove oven rack so you can access the control area and take off the back control trim screws immediately. Place fasteners in a labeled container so nothing gets lost. Once done, position the replacement panel and tools, Torx, Phillips, needle nose, and a cloth to protect finishes. Make sure to wear gloves. These components have sharp sheet metal and fragile connectors that you do not want to damage. You now detach the control panel. Start by photographing the wire harness layout so you can reattach exactly. Then unplug ribbon cables and multi-pin connectors by releasing their tabs. Do not pull on wires. While one hand supports the console, remove all mounting screws and ease the panel forward. It often catches on clips at the bottom. If sensors or switches are attached, unclip them and note orientation. Once free, set the old panel aside and compare it to the new unit for exact match. You fit the new control panel by aligning clips and sliding it into place, then loosely start mounting screws so you can adjust fit. Reconnect each ribbon and wire harness using your photos as a guide. Push until tabs click and make sure connectors sit flush. Restore power at the breaker and run basic tests: backlight, touch buttons, and oven heat. If something fails, cut power and recheck connections and ground. If persistent errors appear, swap back the old board to isolate the issue before ordering parts.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.